In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a specific record in a subform in Microsoft Access. By the end, you'll be able to choose a value in a combo box on your main form and have the subform instantly show the related record. Start by opening Microsoft Access and loading the database that contains your main form and its subform. Open your main form in Design View so you can add and configure the controls you need. From the Design tab, select the Combo Box tool and click on the main form where you want the selector to live, typically near the top for easy access. If the combo box wizard appears, choose the option that says find a record on my form based on the value I selected in my combo box. If that option isn't available, don't worry. Use the combo box as an unbound control. Just make sure its row source lists the values users will pick from, and that it includes the key field that matches the subform's record with the bound column set to that key. You can display a friendly name as the first column and keep the key hidden if you like. Next, click once on the border of the subform control to select the control itself, not the form inside it. You'll know you've got the right thing selected when the sizing handles appear around the outer frame. This is important because the properties you're about to set belong to the subform control object, not the subform's inner form. Open the property sheet and switch to the Data tab. If you don't see the property sheet, press F4. In Link Master Fields, enter the name of your new combo box control exactly as it appears in the form, not the field name from a table. In Link Child Fields, type the name of the matching field from the subform's record source, the field that relates to the value you're choosing in the combo box. The data types for these two should align. If you're unsure, use the Build button next to these properties to help you pick from available fields. Now switch to Form View to test. Select a value in the combo box, and the subform should immediately filter and navigate to the corresponding related record. If nothing appears, double check that your combo box is returning the correct key value, that the link fields are spelled correctly, and that there's a matching record in the subform's data. That's all there is to it. Your users can now jump straight to the records they need with a single selection.